Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got a 1981 BMW M1. I can't believe I'm saying that, but we are going to have a POV binaural audio drive, so be sure you're listening with headphones. This one is Stygian blue, and it was just picked up at auction. It's actually for sale right now at Classic Motor Cars, so if you're interested or know someone who's interested in finding a really nice bulletproof M1, go ahead over and click that link. This car is very special. It's really the first M car, and it was designed by Lamborghini, and when Lamborghini started having financial troubles, it came over to BMW. BMW stole back all the molds, threw the M88 in it, and finished the car. The whole purpose of this car was to be a homologated race car, and the racing series they built it for, well, it went away. So the 399 road-going cars that they had left went to typical sales, and the 53 or 54 that were built for racing went to an M1 dedicated racing series just for this car. So today we're in one of those 399, and I'm sure there's very few in Stygian blue. It's got a dog leg manual gearbox, all kinds of fun buttons that I probably don't know how to use, and a Becker Mexico radio. Doors are pretty wild. We've got this speed cloth type seats that everyone goes nuts for in the E92s, and I guess they started here. On the roof, we've even got the same cloth up here and leather trim, and behind we have pretty decent visibility. Induction noise from this M88. It's an inline 6 with individual throttle bodies. It's a twin cam with 4 valves per cylinder. Same engine, well, they used it in the E28 M5, so it did get some life after this car. usually not nervous to drive cars. I'm a little nervous to drive this car. This car is just incredible, and there aren't very many. Also, I need to know what this horn sounds like, and I apologize to whoever that is who thinks I'm beeping at them, but oh, just joyous. Not bad. Ordinary BMWs, very extraordinary BMWs. Oh, my brain is melting. I'm starting to get used to it a little bit. It is unlike anything I've ever driven. It's kind of got that Italian vibe where my feet are off to the right, clearly Lamborghini, but then it's got like an R8 usability to it. It's not so fast in a straight line that you can't utilize it and enjoy its power and all the sounds. I get to make noise with the car in a way that I usually don't get to do with supercars because they're too fast for the street. This car's not too fast for the street. You can actually drive it and enjoy it. The clutch bite point, it rolls on really smoothly, and then it's very quick. Can't believe how it handles bumps. I mean, it's pretty good at just being a street car. Let it fall back into place. Where's Lou? I don't want to kill him with his own car.